It is time. I think it's a little bit of a Christmas gift. It's a little bit of some holiday cheer to give all of you who, like me, are really excited about a Preston mess kit coming to fruition. So finally, after negotiations back and forth between Exact Metrology and ISH Enterprises, because there's some pieces, because there's lots of tiny pieces that needed to get, drawn up and things that Exact Metrology kind of missed. And, ISH Enterprises is wanting to make sure that everything's accounted for and everything's going right, which that's one thing that I really love about this company. They're very thorough about questions and making sure that there's a shared understanding. That's beautiful. That's beyond beautiful, especially since this is my first time getting into something like this. Again, full disclosure, but we got a date. Well, we've got a rough date, okay? Like, I can't set it in stone per se, but I did account for a little bit of extra time in case there is some issues. But I have a date that we should get the first run of the Preston mess kits in 316L stainless steel in my most latest video that I actually removed because I didn't want to give misinformation. It was about the marbles watch. So if you're on my channel and you are trying to find that video, I took it off because of the little bit of misinformation in here. And I think that's kind of important. But anyhow, 316L stainless steel, which means it is really good stainless steel for campfire use. This is a campfire. This is a camping item. And it does everything. It does everything that you need to do. We've got a 54-ounce canteen. Okay, this thing is a beast. It is going to have a screw top. Now, the screw top is very shallow. So those of you who are worried about authenticity and things like that, it is a very shallow screw top. And it's going to have a little ring on there to be able to screw on there. If you don't want the screw top, take the screw top off and use a cork instead. But I opted for the screw top because there was a version of the Preston mess kit with a screw top. They're not very common though. There's a lot more of them with the corks. But anyhow, I'm getting a little off track. My ADHD is kicking in. So we have a date at the end of May. I should get these, heaven's willing, knock on wood, right? I should have all these at the end of May. And that's so long as shipping doesn't become a problem. We got tariffs and customs and things like that. But I'm pretty excited. They're working on finalizing all the metal type drawings that they need for this. And from there, they're going to start the tooling process. They've got a company that they own that does just tooling, right? So they're going to be doing the tooling, and then they're going to be doing the, not effectively prototyping, I guess, but they're going to be doing the proofs for each of these parts. Now, what will you get? If you haven't seen my videos and me talking about the Preston mess kit, I'm telling you, this, in my opinion, is the best all-in-one kit for camping, because you've got your canteen, you've got your water sources constantly with you, right? You've got, now look at this. This is in the form where it's like a container. So if you don't want to use this to wrap around, because it's a clamshell that goes around both sides, right? If you want to have another container, then you can do it like this. Or what I've done with it, and I even made a video about it, you can bake in this thing. Like I made a peach crisp in this. I made biscuits. I made some cornbread and things like that. This thing isn't going to explode. Now, if you have like yeast dough, you got to account for rising and growth and stuff like that. Now, if you do bread and it's the first time, you should always do it at home. You don't have to latch this thing. So if it does rise, boom, it rises. So it might poof it up a little bit. But, for like the peach cobbler, the peach crisp and everything like that, I didn't need to do that. But honestly, I've never really latched this anyways, to be honest. That's a good tight seal. You put that in the fire, throw some coals, you're good to go. All right, but anyhow, you've got your plate. You've got your skillet. The skillet is so ingenious because it just uses a little wire like that to hold it, like so. You've got these little hole doohickeys so you can hang them up to dry. I'm sure you can get pretty creative with other things, but that's pretty much what I do with it. I I use hooks and hang them up, so to speak. All right, so you got your skillet, and then you got your cup, or you can even use this as a pot. This is a very large and deep cup. It's got a little half moon, little locking thing in there. Really stupid simple, but effective. Look at that, you put that on the griddle. There you go. Now, when I drink it from a cup, I don't drink it like that. I tend to either do it like that if it's really, really hot. I really don't do it like that. But generally speaking, when it's cold water or milk or something, I just hold it like this, right? But it all stows away. That's the beauty of it. It is a easy, all-in-one stowing kit. So you unlock it, fold the handle down, put your canteen right there in your cup, and then you clamshell this together, and there you go. All in one. It stows nice and neat, it's tidy. This is enough for one grown man, okay? This is enough for one grown man. Now you can fry plenty of bacon on there. You can bake breads on there. You can make soup in your cup. Like, for one man, that is a really, really good size kit. You don't need anything more, all right? Beauty of it, it fits in like a haversack or something like that. This thing was designed by an Army officer prior to World War I. His name was Guy H. Preston, and I have the history of it on my website, www.honorableoutfitters.com, or if you'd like, in the link, in the description box of this video. There's a link. In that link, first of all, it'll take you to where you can buy this thing. Like, you can just pay for it, all right? But in that same area, it even has a link to my website where it has the history of it, which on that website also has the very first video I did breaking down the nuances of this and doing close-ups and all that other good stuff. So you should check it out. But it's gonna cost $175. Okay? Now, if you live in the continental United States, that is shipped to your door. If you do not live in the continental United States, I'm going to give you $15 American dollars credit shipping to wherever it is. So even if you're in Alaska or Hawaii, I'll give you a $15 credit to get you there, and you'll have to pay whatever's left over. And same thing if you live in a foreign country. And at any point, you can get a refund, all right? So maybe in May, for some reason, shipping is astronomical to wherever you live, and you're like, wow, that's really not worth it, then I can give you a refund, okay? But there you go. That is the Preston mess kit. I'm excited because I know you guys have been wondering about when. And some of you have even doubted, like, is this project even real? Is it legitimate? Yes, it is legitimate. 100%. It's Honorable Outfitters. I'm staking my name on it. We've got like 488 people now currently signed up for this thing who's paid for it, and it's ready to go. And it's getting produced. And now that I have a date for it, those of you who are on the fence, I hope that you buy into it, okay? Because I do not know if I will be able to make another run. So there you go. Go in the description box, click the links. You can find the history of it, you can watch the videos, and in that same box or in that same link, you can actually pay for it. Put down the $175, and at any point, you can get a refund. I'm not gonna hold on to your money, all right? But again, I don't know if this is gonna happen again. This might be your one and only chance of actually getting in on this. And those of you who have already supported this endeavor, I owe you a tremendous amount of gratitude and sincere appreciation. Like, I can't express it to you. Like, if I could sit down with you and shake your hand and just express to you how much it means to me to get this project off the floor. This has been a pipeline dream of mine. Is that called a pipeline? No, it's called a pipe dream. This has been a pipe dream. At least I thought it was a pipe dream since 2021. I found this kit in old historical texts, and luckily I was able to find one on eBay, and they're not all that common, but these are great kits, and they're going to be able to be used on the campfire in real application. You can put it on your camp stove. This is aluminum, so the next one, like stainless steel, is going to be a little bit heavier, of course, but it's also going to be a lot more durable. There's dings on all these different aluminum pieces. Your stainless steel kit will be a lot more resilient against actual outdoor use. So keep that in mind too when you're thinking about, the material and all that stuff. But I'm excited. I'm excited. Put your comments below. Let me know if you're excited. Let me know, I don't know, any of your thoughts. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have any questions about the Preston Mesquite. I think the biggest one has been the canteen size, and it's 54 ounces. Poured a lot of water in it. There you go. It's about 54 ounces. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Thank you so much for hanging with me this whole time. And I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday, however you celebrate it. But whether it be Christmas or something else, just know from my family to yours, I truly wish you a blessed and happy Christmas and a happy New Year. And if you don't celebrate it, no love lost, man. I just hope you have a great season. And thank you so much for giving me your time and your attention and your trust. Give a kiss and hug to your loved ones. I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care.